In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your username in Trello step by step. Whether you want to rebrand, make your profile more professional, or simply update an old username, this quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't run into common username errors. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. You can start either from your Trello homepage or from any board you currently have open. It doesn't matter which board you're on because we'll be accessing your account settings. Once you're inside Trello, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From that drop-down menu, click on Profile and Visibility. This will take you to your public profile page where you can edit your personal details, including your username. Now, on your profile page, find your current username. Click directly on your username to edit it. Trello will allow you to type in a new one right away. Go ahead and enter the username you want to use. But here's something very important to keep in mind. Trello usernames cannot contain uppercase letters. If you try to include capital letters, you'll see an error message that says the username is invalid and that only lowercase letters, numbers, and underscores are allowed. So if you get that error, don't worry. Simply adjust your username to follow those rules. Make sure you only use lowercase letters, numbers, or underscores. No spaces, no special characters, and no capital letters. After typing a valid username that follows those specifications, click the Save button. Now, there's one more thing you should be aware of. If the username you chose is already taken by another Trello user, you'll see another alert letting you know it's unavailable. In that case, you'll need to slightly modify it. You can try adding numbers, underscores, or a variation of your name until Trello accepts it. Once you've found a username that meets all the requirements and isn't already taken, click Save again to finalize your change. That's it. Your Trello username has now been successfully updated. Your new username will be reflected in your profile URL and anywhere your Trello profile is linked. Changing your username is quick and simple once you know where to look and what rules to follow. Just remember, lowercase letters only, no special characters beyond underscores, and make sure it's unique. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello guides, productivity tips, and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.